Welcome to Flat D Innovations, the leader in personal hygiene flatulence odor control products. My name is Brian Conant, and I am the inventor of the patented product called the Flatulence Deodorizer, a product that is currently revolutionizing the personal hygiene industry worldwide. Our products are doctor recommended and proven to be effective in neutralizing the odors associated with flatulence. As you'll find while browsing through our website, you'll see that there's a wide variety of specialized products to fit your individual needs. For instance, if you suffer from Crohn's disease, colitis, irritable bowel syndrome, lactose intolerance, diabetes, or going through chemotherapy treatment, radiation treatment, gastric bypass surgery, or colon reconstruction surgery, our products can help you. Over the past 5 years, we've had thousands of people inquire about the Flatulence Deodorizer. So what I'd like to provide for you at this time is a little background about the product and also how to use the Flatulence Deodorizer. The material that is used to make the Flatulence Deodorizer is a 3-ply activated charcoal cloth that was developed by the British Chemical Defense Establishment to provide protection for its soldiers in a chemical warfare environment. As you can see through this cutaway piece, we have 3 pieces of material. The outer 2 pieces are made from a polyester cotton type of material, which is also hypoallergenic. The center piece is made from charcoal. Now, the uniqueness of this material is that the thread is actually made from charcoal and isn't just impregnated with it. Therefore, it gives it the ability to be washed, dried, and reused. Now, the material is lightweight, it's breathable, it's washable, and as you can see, it's extremely thin. It's less than 1/16 of an inch. It's thinner than a panty liner or a sanitary napkin. It's flexible. It'll mold to the shape of your body. Doesn't leave any type of residue on your clothing or your skin. The Flatulence Deodorizer is also a unisex product and can be used by females and males alike. Now, in a male situation, we recommend that you use it with a brief type underwear and not boxers, because the boxers don't create that seal that is needed for the product to be effective. In a female's case, we use it with a tight-fitting panty or panty liner, and that'll be perfectly fine because the product will stay against the skin, create that seal, and be very effective in neutralizing odors associated with flatulence. After ordering your Flatulence Deodorizer, you'll receive it in a discreet white envelope, and it will come with an instruction sheet, 1 standard Flatulence Deodorizer Pad, 10 pieces of double-sided tape. A lot of times what we do is we receive questions relating to the Flatulence Deodorizer on whether or not the product should be installed in the inside of the underwear or the outside. This product is worn on the inside of the undergarment. What you do is you'll remove your product from your instruction sheet, take your Flatulence Deodorizer, remove one protective side of your double-sided piece of tape, place on the center of the Flatulence Deodorizer like this, then remove the outer piece of protective stripping, and then it'll be placed on the inside of the undergarment in this fashion. Your end result will be like this, where it's a smooth fix like that. So if you have any other questions or concerns about the Flatulence Deodorizer, you go to our website at www.flatd.com, or you can contact our customer service representative at 1-866-354-0056. Thank you.